Look, you guys, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna pour all the dirt out of the bag here, and you're gonna find potatoes. Sit here, Max. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Max. I hope there are potatoes in here.
Let's just make sure there are no
You don't
bugs
know
in there.
until
Just
I'll
look for big bugs
I'll
and
stand
other
by it.
bugs and.
You don't know until you do it. Whoa!
Oh my
Can you guys
gosh!
find any potatoes in there?
Whoa!
Can you find a potato? Max, look, there's a potato. Max, get it. Get it, Max.
Is that a worm?
Nope, it's just a root.
Heart
There's
attack.
one, Max. Look, a tiny one. Let Max have the small one. Max, get it. Okay, no. All right, Max, put it over here. Good job. Okay, you have to search through all of the dirt. You have to go in. Yeah, open the dirt. Go ahead, Max. Yeah. See how many potatoes you can find. Well, that's cool.
Whoa, big one.
There's one. Let me see. This one's rotten. Oh, no, it's not. It's just the skin of another one. Is it rotten? We'll see after we wash it off. Put it over there, Max.
You know what? They're gonna wash it themselves. First.
Yeah,
Oh no, but they'll go
exactly.
bad.
We should get a big bucket.
No, we should. Yeah, we should wash them and just let them dry.
Oh, whoa.
Go in further. Oh, I see one right there.
What is that?
Yeah. Yay! Put it with the other ones. Here's one too.
Should bring a little basket
What
or
is
something.
that? Two ones. Wow.
Yay! That's a good reaction. Where else are they? Are there any more? We have one more bag after this one, you guys.
How fun! We have potatoes.
What is the back of him?
Yeah, that's gonna be a big
Oh,
one.
Max.
Oh. Is that it? Oh, you found another one? Yay! Look, I see a color there. That might be a potato.
Smaller one.
It's so tiny. Don't put that one. That's too small. Yeah, where are they?
Yeah.
Okay, keep digging. I have a feeling there are some more somewhere here. You have to dig deep.
Right where your hand is, Leo. I think I see one. He lost it.
It's okay. Look in here. This is a big mound. I see one.
What's that?
There you go.
Oh, here it. Oh no, it's not.
Good job, Max. Yeah, push this down, Max. Pull it. Like this. Okay. What about right here in this pile? Oh,
One more.
yay. Put it in the pile.
Oh, God.
All right. Yay.
Oh.
Let's check it all through. Daddy's going to help you check all of it, okay? So we don't miss any because we want yummy potatoes this weekend, huh? It's a lot cleaner than I expected.
Oh, Max, watch your eyes.
Really nice.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Really nice soil. Wow.
Keep it. Do you have to toss it? No.
I might. I'll read up on it, but I know that, after a plant uses the soil, it depletes a lot of nutrients.
Oh.
So it would almost make no difference, but maybe not. All right. Let's get the other bucket. Leo, scoot back to that corner there.
Did he get the one that was over here?
Yeah.
Oh.
He sure did. We'll filter
They're
through
so
it
hard to
again.
find. Yeah.
Yeah,
They
they're
don't show.
fun now. Okay, next bucket.
Leo, can you hold up
Stand
two
back a little
potatoes?
bit.
Hold up two potatoes and show mommy.
Oh. Okay, I don't want too much of the dirt to mix because then it'll be too much to
Let me
filter
see.
through.
Big one and two. These ones.
Let me see them. Hold them up to
Oh,
me.
man.
Let me see.
Big ones.
Oh,
Whoops.
Cheese.
Okay, are you guys ready for the next
more,
bucket?
Max. Leo, put those aside so they don't get lost in the new soil.
Here, let me cut the edges off.
What kind of big? Oh.
Whoa, don't push it off the edge though. Well, you can. All right, so
Yeah, try not to push it, Leo. Keep it on the blue.
here we go, cutting off the nasties. Leave just some little handles so that we can pull it up, pull it out. Okay, well that wasn't a bad harvest for our first
That's
ever
super
potato try.
fun. Super potato.
Super potato,
Eat
daddy
your-
potato.
Fruits
Okay.
and vegetables keep us alive.
Okay, let's put
Always
all of the ones
remember
that we
to
found.
eat your. Can you help him with his?
And boogies.
wipe it on my shirt. Yeah, we got that down pretty good now. Look at this is the. Oh, I lost it now.
Another one is
There
wrong.
was a very tiny one. Look, it's the smallest potato you've ever had. We're gonna keep that one, okay? Are you guys ready for the next one? 1, 2, 3. Boom. Can you lift it up, Leo?
Yeah.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 shake.
Ooh,
it
that
all
one's
out.
dry.
Shake it all out. Shake it all
Ah,
out. Shake
that-
it all out. Shake it all out. There we go. More boogies. All right. Get at it. Let's find some more potatoes.
Look.
Yeah. Yeah, you
We
can
have to
smash
bake
it. Whoa, look at more potatoes. I see them. Max, get one. Pick it up, Max. Pick it up.
3 of them.
Look at that.
Leo,
3 of
leave
them.
one for Max, baby. Oh, those are so purple.
Yeah.
Those are the purple ones. That's cool.
Whoa. It's
Whoa,
the
whoa,
whole
whoa,
thing.
hey,
don't
careful,
shake,
yeah.
Don't shake it because it'll. Oh, yeah, you're taking it off of the root. That's what it looks like. Potatoes grow on the root.
Oh.
Yeah. Max,
Look.
pick this one up right here. Pick this one. Take this. Let him have it. There's one by your knee. I see one by your knee.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yay.
One of them. One that and one of them.
Yeah, that's right.
No fun.
Good
Whoa.
job, Max. Whoa, keep digging. There's so many. Put
Max
them in
is
the
sitting
pile
straight in
behind
the
you.
dirt.
They have to really scrub under their nails and stuff.
Yeah.
Bacteria and all
Oh.
that exists, but-
Ooh.
Yeah, good job,
Is it
Max.
heavy,
Put
Max?
it here.
Is it heavy?
Yeah, you want one? Oh, look at Tiny. Tiny one. I see more. I see a lot more. Yeah, remember I bought that color pack? Colorful
Mhm.
pack? Yeah, good job, Max. Put it here.
That's what that is.
Yeah, they're colorful potatoes. I'm pretty sure. What is that? Oh, that's a rotten one. That must have been the one that they all grew out of. There's nothing in that one, Max. Let's keep digging. Dig deep. I'm sure there's nothing. Whoa, you got another one. Little baby one.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's a boy.
Oh, is it?
Oh, daddy.
Where? Oh, I almost threw it out. Look at that, Leo. Show mommy. Show mommy. Yeah, good job. I almost threw that one out.
Yeah.
Keep looking deep. Look how many more we have right there. 2 more. Oh my gosh, this is like a bounty of potatoes.
Yeah, Mama. Yeah, Daddy.
Yeah, he's all confused.
So many potatoes.
Yo, I see a tiny one right here.
Right over there.
More, Max. More. Look.
Good.
Yeah, that's a girl. Max, is there a potato here?
A big
somewhere?
potato bug.
Where?
Just kidding.
Oh, I was hoping. I was not hoping. Oh, they're
You
so-
don't want to see one. They're so
I've
gross.
seen them online.
They're so gross. You
they're
don't.
around here.
I don't. No, they don't live here.
Whoa.
I don't think they're. I don't think we get them here in
Whoa,
California.
Max,
If you
good
do,
job.
it's like rare, I think. Bless you. Oh yeah, get those boogies out, Leo. Oh, that was a good one. He needs the big back. Oh, Leo, that's so gross. We're gonna go shower now.
Oh,
Just
Max
sneeze.
found one. Max found one. Look.
Oh.
Oh, Leo found one too. Awesome. Put them in the pile.
Are we gonna make French fries with those
Wow.
tomorrow?
Did you hear Max? He said, "Oh wow, that's actually a good amount." You
Ooh, a
guys.
lot of potato. I can.
Yeah.
Make all
And
kinds
none
of
them
stuff
are
with
rotted.
that.
I thought
No.
they were sure be rotten ones.
Whoa.
Whoa, is that all wet?
Yeah.
Oh, it's mushy, rotten potato stuff. I'm pretty sure there's some in here. I'm pretty sure. Big ones, small ones, tiny ones. Okay, straight to the shop. Sure. Not sure how okay it is to be sitting in this, but I think it should. People have survived more. I think.
Well, there's progress. There isn't any going in Max's mouth. I'll tell you that.
Yeah,
Whoa.
Whoa.
Yes.
Is that one? No, that's a rock.
Rock.
Rock. There you go. I'm gonna help you filter more of them, okay? There may be some more, but there may not be. Here's one, tiny one, itsy bitsy, teeny weeny.
Mommy.
Could have waited a couple more weeks, but it was the right time according to the internet.
Smaller, any bitty one.
Okay, Leo,
So
there's this whole pile
cute.
here. You have to go through with your hands and break it all up and check everything. Yeah, do that. Okay, that'll work too. I like mashed potatoes.
That's a good one, Daddy. Daddy joke, but that's a good one.
Daddy joke. Okay, Daddy's gonna help filter through these last few bits.
Whoa! Big duck.
Whoa, don't throw, baby. Don't throw. It's gonna go in someone's eye, okay? And it shouldn't be mine.
Big duck.
I think that's it, you guys. We harvested.
Hey, be
Let's go.
careful, Leo, because Max
No,
is
don't
right
throw-
there.
no,
No,
put it
baby,
down,
it'll
baby.
go in
It's gonna
Max's
go in his
eyes.
sweetie. Thank
You know how the
you.
sand hurts when it goes in your
Yeah,
eye?
This is like sand.
It's gonna hurt when it gets in your eye.
This feels super good soil, too.
I would just
I'd
save
be
it. Use it for a
ashamed.
different plant. Add some more.
Yeah, or more potatoes.
Or more
We can always
potatoes.
just
Yeah.
plant new potatoes.
Try it. It's worth trying.
Yeah. All right, you guys.
Out. Out.
Max's nose is running. Are you able to grab it at all? Or maybe with your shirt?
Wow.
Nose?
So
I can get
All
it.
that.
potatoes.
All right.
I can get it. Okay, Leo, hold up some of the potatoes. You guys, let me see. Let me take a photo real quick.
Hold up your hand, Leo. Open your hand like this. Yeah, just like that.
You should
Max.
sit down. You should have him sit and
Come
put
here,
him on his
Max.
lap or something.
Yeah, look at the teeny tiny ones, Max. Both hands, two hands together, like this. Yeah, perfect. Just hold it like that, and I'll put the potatoes in there. I'll put some big ones too.
Smaller one.
Small
Oh,
ones.
Max is a
sure.
little snot. Hold on.
Go ahead. Oh, we have left.
Pause.
Oh, they stay.
That's right. Good job. There you go. Whoa, cool.
Brother.
Yeah, fun eating these tiny ones.
Leo, let me see.
Baby.
Wait, Leo's got some,
Whoa. Whoa.
and Daddy does
Oh,
too.
that's too close. Just go far back on the
Leo,
blue.
stand with me, and show your potatoes. No,
Say
I am.
potatoes.
that's fine. Look at mommy.
Cheese.
Say potatoes.